Naaalala mo pa ba ang rason kung bakit dininay ni Senate President Tito Soto yung request for having the Discayas to be a state witness? Isa sa mga bagay na sinabi niya is that dahil isa sa mga criteria is for the Discayas to return the funds. Pero malaking question dito is paano nila ma-reimburse or ma-return yung mga pondo na yon kung nagsimula ang company based sa kanilang investigation that they started during the Arroyo administration, na yung ibang tao sinasabi they started their business on 2016. So on this returning of funds, if they cannot do it under the Republic Act 6980, hindi sila pwedeng mabigyan ng pagkakataon to be the state witness. Another issue that Senate President added, you must be not the most guilty. Kaso alam natin, for this flood control issue, sila yung pinaka-guilty sa lahat. And we all know the facts, we all know the evidence that one of the things that we see on our end is that they know everything. They know all the transactions, and they know what are the ghost projects, unfinished projects, na sa papel ay animo yung makikita mong completed projects na ito. And also, isa ding question ni Senate President is, ang testimonya ba ng mga Diskaya ay kompleto na? Kaya nagtataka din siya if this would warrant a certification to be a state witness for the Diskaya. Ano tingin nyo? Tama ba yung naging desisyon noon ni Senate President Tito Soto about the request for being a state witness for the Diskayas? Comments down below.